Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 4:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT. The US USDA WASD report at 16 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The UK's average earnings excluding bonus at 6 GMT. Finland's current account at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes were choppy as investors prepared for a busy week and chip companies seesawed after agreeing to share a portion of revenue from China sales with the US under a trade policy shift from the Trump administration. Michael Saylor's Strategy, the world's largest public holder of Bitcoin, made its first BTC purchases in August, marking 5 years since adopting Bitcoin as a treasury asset. Strategy acquired 155 Bitcoin for $18 million during the week ending Sunday. Nvidia and AMD have agreed to give the US government 15% of revenue from sales to China of advanced computer chips like Nvidia's H20 that are used for artificial intelligence applications, a US official confirmed.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.